plane soaring high above the land, wings out wide so sleek and grand. B is for bus, rolling wheels from town to town, picking friends up and down. C is for car, zooming fast on busy streets, vroom vroom sounds and spinning feet. D is for dump truck, loads of dirt piled high and wide, tipping back in dusty pride. E is for excavator, digging deep with metal claw, building dreams without a flaw. F is for fire truck, sirens blare and lights so bright, racing through to help at night. G is for garbage truck, crunch and clatter, bins go in, cleaning towns with tidy grin. H is for helicopter, whirring blades that spin and twirl, lifting high with windy swirl. I is for ice cream van, jingling tunes that make us cheer, sweetest sound we love to hear. J is for Jeep, bumpy rides through mud and sand, adventure waits in every land. K is for kayak, paddle steady, glide along, river hums a splashing song. L is for locomotive, chugging tracks with smoky sound, clickety-clack as wheels go round. M is for motorcycle, engines roar and helmets gleam, speeding fast like in a dream. N is for narrow boat, drifting slow through waters deep, gentle waves that rock to sleep. O is for off-roader, climbing hills and trails untamed, mud and rocks it can't be blamed. P is for police car, flashing lights in blue and red, keeping peace where roads are spread. Q is for quad bike, four small wheels that bounce and spin, racing wild with cheeky grin. R is for rocket, blasting high beyond the skies, chasing stars with fiery eyes. S is for submarine, under oceans dark and deep, where the silent fishes sleep. T is for tractor, pulling loads through fields all day, helping farmers make their hay. U is for unicycle, balancing on one thin wheel, round and round with circus feel. V is for van, carrying boxes here and there, rolling steady everywhere. W is for wagon, wooden wheels that creak along, old-time ride with travel song. X is for X-ray truck, checks the load both safe and sound, scanning boxes all around. Y is for yacht, sail so wide on ocean blue, catching winds that whistle through. Z is for Zeppelin, floating gently.